Alright, so I went ahead and replaced the cylinder 5 coil pack, inspected the cylinder 5 plug. The plug looked good. So we're going to go back into the VAGCOM here, open up the engine module, go to measuring blocks, and we want to go back to 16. That's where our suspect stuff was here. And it looks like we're still seeing multiple misfires on cylinder 5. So, what that leads us to believe is that we may have a faulty ignition control module. So what I'm going to do, we're going to go under the hood and we're going to switch the ignition control modules for bank 1 and bank 2 and check to see if this misfire follows over to cylinder 2. If that misfire moves to cylinder 2, we know we've got a faulty ignition control module.